Hello guys, welcome today on Friday, December the 24th, 2021. Yes, one day to go for Christmas. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So only 6. I won't do them all. Only 3 of them I will solve. Tomorrow I will do the other half. And on Sunday we have no newspaper. I think I will continue with the other puzzles left in the Thursday edition. Alright, so we have puzzles to solve. Alright, 3 stars Sudoku number 3878. Before I start, I always count on printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. Correct. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We will see. So let's get started. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 2 4s. We have here 4 5s. We have here 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So let me look for the 5s. We have 4 5s. 1 2 3. 1 2. I think I cannot do anything with the 5s. So it will be difficult. Well, not exactly. Let's get started. Second column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes in the second column. So the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and a 5. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 7. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 is the missing number, 1 is missing number. And the and a 4. 1 3 4. Alright. Okay. 1 7. Let me think. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 6. Okay. Alright. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in a row below. So the third row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, it's not helping me. 2, 7. 7, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7 in this column, so no 7 here. Only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. 7. Now I cannot continue with 7. 9. Yeah. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. All right. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. So the 2 should be there, the only place. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Right. Then. I'm thinking. 2. 3. Thinking. 6. Need a 6. Need a 1. Not easy. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. There are 4 in the last column, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row. So no row between. Only place left for the 4. Here we have a pair 9 and a 5. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. 4, 4. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 7. We have an 8 there in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. So, now, 2. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this third column. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in this column, second column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this row. Well, we have another 8 here, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Then. How about the 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. 1 is missing. 1, 3, 4. Okay. Then 3, 3, 4, 8, 8. Oh, well. 1, 7, 5. I'm thinking. Thinking. 9 and a 5. Yeah. Where's the opening? The opening. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle columns. In the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Okay, now we have a pair. 1 and a 9 in this row, 1 and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and a 1, 9 and a 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be an 8. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright, 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Also, for the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 are missing. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. We have all the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column B3, the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 7 and a 1, 7 and a 1. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Wow. I'm well pleased with the time because my time limit 20 to 30 minutes, and I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. So is this video 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles. The binary puzzle and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye-bye for now.